This time we're supposed to convert yards to meters. So let's rewrite this problem. And I have 30 yards. I want to convert yards to meters. As you can see, we do not have direct conversion factor which is going to take me from yards to meters. That's why I'm going to convert first yards to feet. And after that, I'm going to convert feet to meters. So I have 1 yard is equal 3 feet. Remember, in order to eliminate yard, you have to make sure that yard is going to be in the denominator. Yard and yard cancels out. So my unit of length right now is foot. But I don't want to see foot. I want to see meters. That's why I have to eliminate foot by using another conversion rate, which says that 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So I have 3.28 feet equals 1 meter. So foot and foot will cancel out. Keep in mind that we can convert 30 to the improper fraction and simply multiply numerators by numerators, denominators by the denominators. You are going to have 30 times 3 times 1 meter over 1 times 1 is 1 times 3.28. 3.28. Plug in these values into the calculator and you're supposed to obtain 27.43 meters. So it means that 30 yards is equal to 27.43 meters. This is the solution to the problem.